The hidden costs of not using AI. Did you know that one of the biggest risks in the future is not using AI? Because right now, most people are focused on the dangers of AI. They're asking, will AI replace jobs? Will AI become too powerful? Will AI change the world? But almost nobody is asking a different question. What happens if you completely ignore AI? And honestly, that question could become very important. Because the people refusing to learn AI may slowly fall behind without even realizing it. So in this video, we're going to talk about the hidden costs of not using AI. Let's get into it. Section 1. Time loss. The first hidden cost is time. AI tools can now help you in lots of ways. One person spends 10 hours doing everything manually. The other person uses AI tools and finishes in 3 hours. Over weeks, months, and years, that time difference becomes huge. And time is one of the most valuable things people have. Section 2. Missed opportunities. The second hidden cost is in missed opportunities. Right now, people are already using AI to automate their work. Many of these opportunities didn't even exist a few years ago. If people still decide to ignore AI completely, they may never even see the opportunities. And that's dangerous. Section 3. Business competition. Now let's talk about businesses. Businesses love saving time, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. And that's why more and more companies are adopting AI so quickly. Imagine two businesses. One business uses AI to automate their work and the other business does everything manually. Which business do you think will grow faster? That efficiency gap could become huge over time. Section 4. The skills gap. Another hidden cost is the future skills gap. Throughout history, people who learned new technology early often gained advantages. When computers appeared, some people learned them early. When the internet arrived, some people adapted quickly. When social media exploded, early creators benefited massively. AI is definitely another one of those moments, and the people learning AI today will become much more valuable tomorrow. Section 5. The big misunderstanding. Now here's something important. Using AI does not mean replacing human creativity. And that's one of the biggest misunderstandings. AI is a tool that helps humans move faster. It's about humans plus AI, and not humans versus AI. Section 6. The fear factor. So why are many people ignoring AI? It's usually because it feels confusing, it feels overwhelming, or it feels scary. And honestly, that's understandable. Every major technology shift feels uncomfortable at first, but ignoring change completely can sometimes become even more dangerous. Think about the early internet. Years ago, some people thought the internet was just a temporary trend, but eventually, it changed almost everything. Shopping changed. Communication changed. Business changed. Entertainment changed. And AI may become another shift like that. Now here's a quick simple recap. The hidden costs of not using AI may include lost time, missed opportunities, lower efficiency, falling behind competitors, and missing future skills. A few years from now, people may look back at this moment and realize that this was the beginning of another massive technology revolution. Are you going to be one of the people who ignore AI completely, and at a later date wish you had started learning earlier? If this video changed how you think about AI, hit the like button, add a comment below, and subscribe for more AI and online business videos. Do you think AI will become as important as the internet? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.